Assimalhakeem, Sheikh.
Salam rahmatullah barakatuh.
If one is in the state of Ihram, but because of extreme cold in the Haram, one pulls up the upper garment close to the neck, then covering the mouth, as this nullify the Ihram. And it would be good if you can help drop a link for your maybe a Hajj guide, a comprehensive guide that you've done in the past. Jazakumullah khairan.
To drop a link of what?
Of a Hajj guide that you've done in the past. A Hajj guide.
I have no idea.
Umrah and Hajj guide.
I think it is found in my YouTube channel. You have to go and check it. I don't know what happens on my YouTube channel because it's run by the admins. But if you go and search, I know, mashallah, may Allah bless them all, they're doing a good job, so you can find it there. Secondly, it is not permissible for a muhrim to cover his head in ihram. So covering the head is totally prohibited, but covering your neck or part of your mouth with your blanket or your ihram, there is no problem in that, inshallah.